In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a related list in Salesforce. Whether you're new to Salesforce or looking to refine your skills, understanding how to customize your object views with related lists can greatly enhance your workflow efficiency. It may sound a bit technical at first, but don't worry. I'm here to guide you through each step, so let's dive in. To get started, we need to access the Setup area in Salesforce. If you look towards the top right corner of your screen, you'll notice a gear icon. Go ahead and click on this icon. It opens up a menu that is your gateway to various settings and configurations within Salesforce. Once you've clicked the gear icon, you'll want to select Setup. This selection will take you into the more granular settings within Salesforce where all the magic happens. As you enter the setup, you'll quickly notice a handy tool called the Quick Find box. It's a search box designed to make your navigation much faster and easier. In this box, type Object Manager. The Object Manager is a centralized hub where you'll manage and configure all the different objects within Salesforce, paving the path for any customizations you want to implement. Now that we're in the Object Manager, you'll need to locate and select the object you want to add a related list to. This could be the Account object, the Opportunity object, or even the Contact object. The choice here depends on your current project needs or your organizational requirements, so select accordingly. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll find a navigation panel. From this panel, you'll want to click on Page Layouts. This section is crucial as it allows you to modify how users view and interact with the object records. After selecting Page Layouts, it's time to choose which specific page layout you want to modify. Depending on your initial object choice, it might be the Account layout, Opportunity layout, or another relevant layout. Once you're in the Page Layout editor, your next step is to locate the Related Lists button. Click on this to reveal a palette of options you can choose from. Within this palette, you'll find a selection of related lists, such as contacts or opportunities. Identify the related list you want to add, keeping in mind how this will benefit your overall data strategy and user experience. This next part is simple yet crucial. With the related list identified, all you need to do is drag and drop it from the palette into the Related List section on your page layout. This action effectively attaches the list to your chosen layout, making it readily accessible to Salesforce users interacting with that object. Finally, to ensure all your hard work is preserved, click the Save button. This crucial step ensures that your changes are applied and reflected within Salesforce. And there you have it. You've successfully added a related list to a Salesforce object. With a bit of practice, this process will become second nature, allowing you to tailor Salesforce to better meet your organization's unique needs. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out our other videos for more Salesforce tips and tricks.